Salutations, Stu here again at Hoffman Auto, about to show you why mounting and balancing your tires with us is superior to anyone else. And it's the extra steps we go through, which makes us a little pricier, but a lot more thorough. We're going to start by showing you some really dirty wheels. This could be on your car, maybe even worse. So step one, after we pull them off the vehicle, as you can see, this wheel has a significant amount of dirt, salt, and sludge all around the inside of that. This will all throw off the balance of the car. Look how deep that sand and salt is. First thing we do, we're going to come over here and hose this wheel off entirely and scrub all that dirt off. It's going to give us a clean surface for both mounting, balancing, and mating of the wheel, and also a much better balance on the wheel because everything else will throw that off. Next step, you'll see it over here, we're going to go to our mounting machine where our good friend Scott here is mounting a tire on a wheel. We're going to clean all these surfaces up right here, get a nice clean bead surface, as well as get the tire onto the rim. Next step, it's going to go over here. You can see one all ready for balancing. The tire's been mounted on the wheel, getting ready to balance this. A lot of shops you'll see will static balance, which means they're going to balance off one side. And they're going to use these pound-on weights you see right here, which are only good for steel wheels. They're going to go on your wheel and mess it all up. We have stick-on weights for aluminum wheels, so your wheels are going to be in good shape when they leave here. We're going to get it balanced on both sides. It's a sonic balancing system. We're going to get that tire riding straight and true. It's going to give you better mileage, better wear on your tires. It's just going to be quieter, smoother going down the road. It's those little steps that do it. Then finally, before that wheel goes onto the car, we're going to clean up this entire mating surface here where the wheel sits onto the brake here. Any dirt or grime or corrosion that's here will affect the way that wheel seats, mounts, and rides down the road. Once we do that, we're going to torque it to spec, drive it, re-torque it again. We're going to make sure it's not too tight, not too loose, get you going down the road in style, and hopefully get your wheels, your tires, and your car to last longer. Thanks. Any other questions, or if you want your tires mounted and balanced the correct way, give us a call, 523-2888. Check us out on the web, on Facebook, or just simply stop by and see us. Thanks.